Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix this app is not available in your country or region in iPhone. So let's start. For fix it, you have to change your region on App Store. So first let's go to settings and then just click here on your app ID. And then just scroll down a little bit and let's go to the part that says media and purchases, and then let's click on view account. And here on view account you will see all the information about App Store and iPhone ID, etc. So let's go to part that says country and region. You can select here the country that you prefer, but first you have to check if the app is available. For example, if the app is only available in Australia, just click here on Australia, of course. But first you have to check it, because if you don't check if this is available in other country and you select another one, well, it will be the same feature that is not available. So you can check first if that app is available in that country. So now that you do it, just select the country that you prefer and then just read everything and just click on continue. In that way you will change the country on your iPhone without any problem, and you can try to download now the app. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumbs up to this great video.